Welcome! We have a new do-it-yourself video today.
Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick vinegar flush with your tankless hot water heater. Yes, it's a tankless job, but somebody's got to do it. First, I want to do a quick Google search to find out how much this will cost me or save me money. It looks like if I call a professional to do this, it'll cost anywhere between $150 and $350. So for this project, we need a short hose or even two short hoses.
You can do this with one 5-foot hose and add a female hose fitting,
and it'll do just fine. So I'd say it's around $20 to $40
for just the hose.
We have a handful of broken hoses that will be perfect for this project. Now you need a small sump pump and a 5-gallon bucket. We ended up getting our bucket for free at Ace Hardware. Having dewatering equipment on hand in a house is kind of essential. Now we need around 3 gallons of vinegar. So we're a little over $107 if you end up getting the cheapest equipment. So we're going to be cleaning the air filter, performing a flush, and cleaning the inlet water filter. So this is our year-old tankless water heater, our bucket and our hose. First thing I do is secure the gas going to the hot water heater
and unplug the electric.
So here's the inlet and the outlet side of the hot water tank. Now I need to go ahead and secure both the inlet and the outlet. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this front cover. We have a wood shop in our basement and there is dust everywhere, and on the inside of the screen is covered so you can't really read it.
This can be taken off with a Phillips head screwdriver.
There are 4 screws in order to release these clips. And now the cover comes straight off. First thing I want to do is try to wipe off this screen. So there's a handful of Phillips head screws at the top of the heater that you have to remove in order to remove this filter. And I kind of feel bad for all the bugs and butterflies that were stuck in this thing. I can't tell you how important it is to keep these filters clean. It's a little bit of a closed system, but if your heater has a hard time breathing in, then it's going to reduce the efficiency. Now that the filter's clean, I can reinstall it. After reinstalling this filter, I can go ahead and reattach the front cover. I now attach the hose for the inlet and outlet flush. This setup requires 2 female ends on one of the hoses in order to attach to your sump pump. I have this female hose end, so I'm going to have to cut the end off of this hose. Slip in the plastic clamp, push in the GHT female connector, and tighten the 2 screws on the clamp around the connector. Now I add the 2-inch to 3/4 inch hose connector to my sump pump. Now I can attach my hose to my sump pump. and set the sump pump in the 5-gallon bucket. I pour 3 gallons of vinegar inside of the bucket. Open the pressure relief valve. Make sure to have a bucket underneath the outflow. This right here is a condensate water clean out. From what I could tell, it didn't have a lot of condensate on it, and I just flushed it back and forth in the bucket of water. And now I can take off and clean the water inlet filter. Our filter was completely clean. So I'm going to just reinstall it. Ensure that both flushing valves are open and plug in your pump. Let the pump flush for at least 45 minutes. And as you can see, we have plenty of flow. I came back in an hour. To unplug the pump, I close the inlet flush valve and open the fresh cold water inlet. I let the water flush for at least 5 minutes. This rinses the cleaning solution from any of the internals. It also helps so you don't have a little bit of a taste of vinegar in your water supply. After around 5 minutes, secure the outlet flush valve. And open the hot water outlet. Now you can detach all of your hoses from your hot water heater.
And finally, open the gas valve.
It's always good to double check that the inlet and the outlet for the fresh water and the hot water is open and the 2 flushing valves are closed. And plug in the hot water heater and press the power button. And now your hot water heater should be working again. Now it's just time for some cleanup. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe for more DIY tips.